please. I just want to have company. Gosh. Like, look, you're
All
doing
this
it for me.
shit around here that you got to want to have company?
Having
You can clean up?
company.
I don't think so. Get that shit over there out my way. All this shit in my
Clean
way.
that up. Thank
Tired of
you.
cleaning up after this woman, man.
So I just want to have company.
Look at
Talking to
this.
my girls, my bitches, and I'm coming over. Having
Yeah,
company.
tossing, tossing and
Yes.
tossing.
You almost there? I have my
Girl, what
company?
the fuck you say?
You almost there, so I can have my
What?
company.
Please, you haven't got that
Fuck
company,
you,
especially
me.
if
I
I'm
ain't
cleaning
got
up.
no
I'm
fuck you
having a
too then,
company.
nigga.
You ain't have enough.
Yo, okay.
Oh, you puffing your chest up, huh? Ooh, watch this shit.
Oh,
Ooh,
boy, here you go.
ooh,
Hey, what's your business, boy?
shit,
Oh my
nobody's
dad.
little company that ain't
Always doing
clean up
this.
around this
Always
place
doing this. You
here.
ridiculous.